Infer is a static analysis tool which can detect when a function call within a loop is an invariant and can be hoisted outside of a loop. It's easier to understand what this means with an example. Let's look at an example of a loop invariant in the C programming language. The first function we define is add, which adds two numbers and returns the result. In the second function, we are looping from 0 to the given size and calling the add function on each iteration. This function call to add is hoistable because it does not change between loop iterations. The result of calling add will remain the same at the beginning and during the loop. Let's see how we can fix this. The add function is the same. However, what we have changed is where the add function is called. It is called only once before the loop. There is no more add function call within the loop. This is more efficient because we are not spending any computing time on a calculation that occurs once and does not change throughout the loop. The Infer static analysis tool can detect this in your C or Java code. Thanks for watching and hope you learned a little bit more about how awesome the Infer static analysis tool is.